As you can see, I use this process right here to cut down the tree. See the materials, chainsaw blade, grind that metal rivet out of there, gives you an opening for both sides. Get the rope over. I use a $20 bow and arrow, a little kid arrow, hanging up right here. That there is what I use. Throw a fishing line over. And there's the fishing line right there, round spool.
There you go. See where it's tied there.
Let me move the chair out of there.
Where does it get easier?
Oh my gosh, look at that. You're taking chunks out of that thing.
Yeah, you gotta pull. Oh no, it's cracking. Michelle, it's cracking, look.
Ready? As you can see, we got this down.
I'll record it.
We got this tree down and we're cutting it up right now. So we're burning it as we speak. It's a great day. Thank you, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button.
Yeah.
Bye. Second branch today. This is how you send a fishing line, heavy duty line, over a tree branch to pull up a second line to how we have it ready to pull back and forth. I use 50-pound test. Talking about me now? It was not. Just pull 6 inches, 10 inches. Here comes. Here comes. Bruce, move out of the way. Get out of the way. Go in. Get out. Go to the truck. Go up. I hope that don't hit your truck. I would have moved that. All right, Pete, watch out. I told you this is going to get stuck. What? Yeah, I knew that. I see it. I see it. Yeah, even the one you didn't want to go.
Let me get some lopping in. Ooh, I smell dinner. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Perfect time, Bill. There you go. I got a kick.
Hope y'all seen that.
Nope, never saw anything.
Subscribe and like. This here's the Banjo Man. And don't forget, hit that like button.